What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you my pick for the top or the best non-custodial cryptocurrency wallets. Man, that was a lot to say, but I'm going to give you my top picks. Now, this is a very, very, very important topic, so I want you guys to stay with me for the entire video. Plus, at the end, I'm going to give out some honorable mentions and let you know which one is my favorite. So if you want to hear that, make sure you stay all the way to the end. All right. Now, I want to also ask you to share this video with somebody else because they need to hear this information. So if you could just share this with a few people, that would be amazing. Now, as always, before I get into the information, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's talk about this topic right here, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallets. This is so important, right? We had something major happen in 2022. We all know what happened with SBF, and we know what happened with FTX, and we know what happened with a lot of people's crypto, and it was very sad. Yeah, I even lost some crypto in the whole fiasco as well, right? And I want to tell you guys, we have to learn from those types of experiences. Here's what I tell people all the time. Exchanges are for exchanging. What did I say? Exchanges are for exchanging. Here's another thing I want to tell you. If it ain't your keys, it ain't your crypto. I know that sounds like bad English because it is. But I want to tell you, if you don't own the keys, you really don't own the crypto. So you want wallets where you have control of the keys so that you can protect your crypto and you're not getting caught out on a limb, right? So I want to tell you guys that that's what we're going to talk about today, some non-custodial wallets which you can use that can help you be safer in the cryptocurrency space. Now, let me add on something to this, right? I want to make sure that you guys are using these non-custodial wallets when you're funding these platforms that we use to multiply our crypto, to grow our crypto and all of that type of stuff. I want you to use non-custodial wallets to fund these platforms. Also, I want you to use these non-custodial wallets to receive funds from these platforms. So when you're doing your withdrawals, I need you to withdraw to these non-custodial wallets. Why? Because if you withdraw to an exchange, or if you fund from an exchange, there's all sorts of crazy stuff that could happen. The exchange could decide, hey, I don't want you to have your crypto, right? Because you got it from this place that I don't like or that I'm suspicious of, or whatever reason they decide. They don't even have to tell you a reason. You can withdraw from one of our platforms into the exchange. The exchange doesn't like where it came from. And then they say, well, look, we're not going to let you move any. We're going to make you verify and tell us where it came from and do all this other stuff. Now, this is supposed to be a decentralized space, and they're making it centralized. So these centralized exchanges are not always good news. So I want to tell you guys, if you really want to be in control of your crypto, you want to fund with a non-custodial wallet, and you want to withdraw to non-custodial wallets. Now, you can come from your non-custodial wallets to an exchange if you need to cash out to your bank or you need to do some other exchanging things, right? So I want to let you guys know that's just my philosophy. That's just my perception on it. As always, I'm not telling you guys what to do because I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I'm just this guy on crypto. I'm just this guy in crypto that's making it happen with crypto. And if you like what I'm doing, you can try it for yourself, right? That's it. That's all I am, right? So let's go ahead and get right into this, guys. I hate to keep you guys holding on for too long, but here, you see what's on the screen right now. The first wallet that we're going to talk about. Let's get a drum roll. I'm sorry, I don't have a drum roll, but let's get a drum roll going. And this is Metamask. Now, some of you are very familiar with Metamask. Some of you have used Metamask before and you like Metamask, and I like Metamask too. Now, there's kind of like a few things that I look at when I'm looking at a non-custodial wallet. One, I need it to be truly non-custodial, which means that it's non-custodial, right? It's not connected to an exchange. It's not an exchange wallet. The second thing that I need is I need to be able to own the keys. I got the keys, right? I need to have the keys, right? The other thing I look at is that it's multi-chain, that it has a lot of different chains that can be on there. A lot of different cryptos can be held in the wallet. I like to see that as well. Those are some of the things I like to see in the wallets that I choose, okay? So hopefully you're looking at those things as well. But MetaMask is one of those. It's multi-chain. And you can actually go in and look at all the different chains that you can put on MetaMask, and they update this on chain list right here, and you can actually go in and look at what chains that you can add to your MetaMask right here. So you can do that. So multi-chain holds a lot of different cryptos. Okay, that's a great thing. The other thing that I want to tell you guys about this, which can be a negative thing, is you can't hold Bitcoin in MetaMask. It does not hold Bitcoin. A lot of other coins and a lot of other things, but it does not support Bitcoin. Right now, MetaMask is you can download it on your phone for Android and iPhone, and it's also a browser extension. The most popular browsers actually have it as a browser extension. I'm currently using Chrome, and it is a browser extension for me. So MetaMask is a good wallet that you can use, and you can keep your crypto in there. Right now, one thing I do have to tell you, MetaMask did have a glitch last year. I think it was a glitch last year, which it malfunctioned. Something happened, and it caused MetaMask wallet to malfunction. It's not something that happens commonly, but I do want to let you guys know, full disclosure, that did happen last year. I can't remember the date, but you can look it up, Google it. Google is your friend. All right. So that is available there. So I want to let you guys know that's the first one. This is one of the most popular wallets as well. We had a lot of influencers that said, go use MetaMask wallet. Okay. Now, another very, very popular wallet that I like as well is Trust Wallet. Now, that's the one I have on the screen right now. Trust Wallet is a great wallet. Now, a couple things you should know about Trust Wallet is it is multi-chain as well. That is a phenomenal thing. Holds a lot of different cryptos. And yes, it does have Bitcoin on it. So it's not like MetaMask. It does have Bitcoin there. So you can actually hold your Bitcoin and several other cryptos on Trust Wallet. Now, one thing to note is that Trust Wallet was developed by Binance, right? But it is separate from Binance, so it's not integrated like with Binance. So you have to worry about it like you worry about Binance. So Trust Wallet is there. And I think this is a great wallet. It's very easy to use. This is an app, right? And it does allow you to use a dApp browser, such as I didn't mention that in MetaMask too. You can use the dApp browser to connect to different dApps and stuff like that. So the Trust Wallet is a great wallet for you to use as well. It has an option. These wallets have options now for you to go in and buy cryptocurrency. I will let you know, usually those rates are a little bit higher through the apps when you do it. The conversion rates and things like that are usually be a little bit higher through the apps or through the non-custodial wallets. But hey, it's an option for you. Okay, so I like this one as well. You can go download it on the Google Play Store or the App Store. You can also download it for Android, and it's available in the Chrome Web Store as well. So you can get that as an extension for you also. So like I said, guys, this gives you a lot of options here, right? I love these. These are some that I use all the time. Now, here is the third one, right? And this happens to be my favorite one, right? It's one of the first non-custodial wallets that I used, and this is no other than Exodus, right? Exodus is a great wallet. I like it. It's very user-friendly. People say it's user-friendly. People use it all the time. This is available. They have a Web3 wallet now. You can download it on your phone. It's a desktop wallet. It's like everything that you need. Plus, it's also compatible with Trezor, the Trezor wallet. That's the way I say it. Some people say it different way. Trezor. Some people say Trezor. I say treasure. Whatever. It's a treasure wallet, right? Trezor wallet, right? But it is also compatible with that. So I want to let you guys know that it's very, very easy to use. It holds Bitcoin as well, right? Which is amazing here. So I like this wallet. It's very, very user friendly, and I recommend it to beginners all the time, right? So Exodus is great. I haven't had any problems with Exodus. It's a great decentralized wallet for you to use. So hopefully you guys will check this out. Plus they have a library of videos that show you how to use and do different functionalities within the Exodus wallet, which I really like that also. So once again, this is another incredible wallet. So hopefully you guys will choose one of these that you can actually go ahead and do. I'm not even putting out any affiliate links for these. I'm just going to drop the links for the actual websites for the wallets there. If you don't have one of them, go ahead and download it. It costs you nothing to get the wallet, right? And you get to keep your keys with all of these wallets. So that means you're in control of your crypto, right? So that's exactly what you want. And this puts you in a very good position here. Now, I told you guys that I have some honorable mentions. I told you my favorite is the Exodus wallet, which you're looking at right now. But I have some honorable mentions. Let me see if I can pull these up. One of the other wallets that I really like is the Klever wallet, guys. So the Klever wallet is a wallet that I really like here. I use the Klever wallet a lot, right? Not to be confused with the Klever exchange, but the Klever wallet here is amazing, right? So I like this. You can actually use this. You get the keys to your wallet with this as well. And this is very good for Tron, right? The main reason why I started using Klever wallet is for Tron and the USDT TRC20, which is based on the Tron network. So this is incredible. I love Klever. Klever has been a great resource for me as well, right? So if you want to check out this Klever wallet, that's a great thing. Then here's the last one. Another honorable mention for me is the TonLink wallet, right? So if I could spell here, the TonLink wallet. So let's go to the TonLink wallet here. And I'm going to pull this up. TonLink wallet is an important wallet for us, especially in this space. We're going to connect to some dApps through the TronLink browser and all of that type of stuff. This is a way that we connect to the Daisy platform as well. So you need that TronLink wallet to be able to do that. So that is important. But this is another one for Tron, USDT, TRC20, all of that type of stuff that you can actually do in here. This is a great wallet. I like to use this wallet as well, right? So I gave you guys a few options, some honorable mentions. I think you're well equipped to be able to do what you need to do in the cryptocurrency space with these wallets. These wallets are going to help you in this space, right? So guys, look at the ones that are the best for you. Make your decision on which ones you want. There's no cost to have any of them. I would have them on hand if I were you, right? I would definitely have these on hand just in case you need to use one day. Get familiar with it. Familiarize yourself with all of the stuff in the cryptocurrency space, and you're going to be a better cryptopreneur. Right? I call you guys cryptopreneurs, right? That's what we do. We make our living off of crypto. So this is phenomenal, guys. I hope you guys are excited about everything going on in the space. The next video that I'm going to do, most likely, well, probably not the next video, I'm going to do another video, and that video is going to talk about the exchanges that I do like using. Of course, I said exchanges are for exchanging, but I do want to talk to you about the exchanges that I like to use, or the ones that I use on a consistent basis. And I'm going to do another video soon that's going to talk about the crypto debit cards that are good to use, right? So I want to give you guys the best information out there because I want to see all of you win. You know, I love and care about you guys, and I want you all to win. So I'm going to give you all the information that I can. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. As always, guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest when we're willing to lose, but you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.